Okay, so hello Year 7. This is an example of the video I would like you to do for your performing arts evaluation. So I've got my sheet that I've given you with the questions on, and remember you can add to it if you want to. Okay, so some of you may wish to add to it. So let's have a look. So you might want to say something like, how well did you work as a team member? Did you give ideas? Did you take the lead at any point? You might want to say something like, I didn't work well as part of a team because I kept getting distracted and hiding behind the curtains. I came up with some ideas, but my group wouldn't listen to me. So I didn't do very well. I got grumpy and refused to work with them. This didn't help in creating a piece of drama, and next time I need to learn to compromise and not always go with my ideas. Did you have any ideas that didn't work? If you did, what did you do to improve? So you might say something like, we had one idea that didn't work. When we went across the lasers, we should have made it funny, and we didn't, and we kept getting in each other's way, which just looked really messy when we actually performed it. What we should have done was made it funny for the audience, not just for us, and actually staged something going wrong and making more of it. During your performance, thinking about facial expressions, communication to the audience and exaggerated movements, how well did this go? So this Year 7 is where you're going to do your what went well and your even better if. Okay, so WWW, what went well? EBI, even better if. Okay, so your what went well might be your facial expressions were exaggerated and over the top. The audience knew what you were communicating to them, whether your character was successful in stealing the magic pen or not. You may say something for even better if, which actually is a question which comes a little bit further down in, if you were to do it again, what would you change and why? So that one could be something like, if I were to do it again, I would try and get more of my ideas across and add in a scene that was funny, be clearer with my actions to make sure I communicated clearly so the audience knew what was going on. They didn't get confused. Then the last question, which is actually this question here, because I've jumped. That's what went well. That's even better if. Okay. This one I've jumped to. I should have put it on better. How did you feel when performing, and how did you feel afterwards? Now, I know some of you were really, really nervous about performing, and I think some of you have made some fantastic progression with your confidence being in front of people because you've gone and done it. So you might have been feeling really, really nervous, and then you might have been really excited when you did it and felt a buzz, and afterwards you might have been really pleased or proud of yourself. Okay, so you need to upload these onto Google Classroom. I've sent you an invite to the Google Classroom page. Okay, it is easier if you have the Google Classroom app. That is a lot easier. Because you can upload straight from your phone and upload onto Google Drive, which I'm about to do with this one. And any questions, just come and see me. Okay, bye Year 7.